Load your family into the 2020 Nissan Murano. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, remote keyless entry, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Premium sound drives 11 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.